Now I'm going to coach you. You open to being coached in this? Okay. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to draw this one line that symbolizes that there's no boundaries. So let me say, no, wait a minute. Because I'm going to coach you on this, okay? To make it easy for me to support you to solve this puzzle. Why don't you put the dot here, start here, and then draw a line. Draw through take that line, take that dot, from that dot, go through 3 dots, demonstrating there's no boundaries. 3 dots. What dots? Just take your pen off the paper a minute. Just use your finger and show me what 3 dots are there for you. It's going to be 2 dots. 3 dots. Where would 3 dots be that you could go through with the first line? How are you going to do that? You got the dot, you're starting over there at blue point. Show me 3 dots that you could go through from that blue point. Perfect. Do that. 1, 2, 3. Now how come you stop there? Demonstrates what? Hold it. Okay, good. Now, from that point, how many lines? You use one of the 4 lines, right? So that means you got 3 lines left. And how many dots you got left?
6.
6. Now, simple math. How many dots would each line have to go through to complete this?
2.
2. You can see that, right? Now, from that point, what 2 dots could you go through with the second line?
If I went here, I wouldn't get any dots. If
No.
I went there,
Right.
I wouldn't. I can't go back.
Right. That's good.
Maybe
That's
I
very
could go
good.
down, but I can do.
Yeah.
I can do.
Don't use your finger. I like
these
that.
2.
Does that look like a straight line if you went through those 2?
Yeah.
Okay. I wish we had a straight edge, but let's take and say wait. Use your finger. Don't be so fast. Use your finger. Now, which one is it going through? It's like you curving it here. Is it going through this dot or this dot? Was it in the middle? Which one does it look like?
This dot.
Okay, so let's get a straight edge. Anybody got a straight edge? That's great. Bring me that paper. Your paper, that's perfect. Your paper, make sure. Now, if you use this as a straight edge, what does it look like? Does it look like this or does it look like this? If you try to start with that dot, which one is the straight edge? Which one would you see?
This one.
You see that, right? Okay, good. So do that. Okay, keep now step back. Take a look at this. I know everybody sitting down can probably see this, but when you're standing up close, anytime you stand up to
It looks like a boomerang.
you cannot. Yeah, it looks like a boomerang to you. That's good.
And I could make a triangle.
Yeah, you could. But now you got how many lines left?
2.
And how many dots are left to go through?
4.
4 dots. Yeah. So tell me, where could you stop this line to go through 2 more dots? Use your finger. Let me hold the marker, by the way, so it doesn't dry out. Where could you hold the line? Where could you take, with your finger, where would you take that in the line that you just drew so that you could go through 2 more dots? Use your finger. No, you didn't stop there though. You went beyond that dot. So if you already beyond that dot, that's not going through anything. That's going to curve the line, right? Where could you take that line? That's only 1 dot, right? Where could you take that line that you ended with to go through the next 2 dots?
I want to end it over here.
Now, if you end it there, what is that showing you? That you are still seeing what?
No, but I'll be able to get this dot.
Yeah, but
How
how many dots? Excuse me?
How many dots you told me to do 2, not
Yeah.
1.
Yeah, exactly. So where would you have to take the line?
Take the line.
Yeah. Where would you have to end the line in order to go through two dots? You can see that. And then what would you do if you went there? Where would you go? Use your finger. No, that's curved it. You curved it. You know you curved it. You curved it, girl. All right, so just take it that, yeah, you can see it. Take it. Go up. Stop. Now what two dots? Yep. Now hold it. Coaching. How many dots are left?
2.
And how many lines are left?
1.
Yeah, so where would you stop the line in order to go through those two dots with a straight line? Don't tell them. Shh. No, you got to start where you ended. Go back to the end of the line. Where would you end the line to go through those two dots? Nah, that's curving it. That's curving it. Look at that line. It's curved. Where would you have to stop the line? Yep. Come on over. Come on, make it a straight line. I wish I had put my dots up here correctly. But where would the straight line be? If you use the paper, use the straight edge. For those two dots, where would the line have to start? So that's where it would start and go down. Did you go through all 9 dots?
Mm-hmm.
4 straight lines.
Kind of straight.
Yeah. Very good. Let's acknowledge her, y'all. That's very good. Now, what do we see? What did we have to do in order to solve the puzzle? Somebody come up and give me what we saw in the beginning that kept us bound into a box or the triangles. Let me just draw it for you. I'm going to be the student. Yes, so you would see, just use a dotted line. You would see that this was the boundary that we knew, and we could not go outside of that. And then as we began to see, the don't know meant that we had to go outside of what people call the box. But there is no box. We had to go beyond the boundaries that we saw in our thoughts in order to get to the don't know. So where would you say the don't know is? Somebody come and draw for me a circle around the don't know space. Anybody see it? Good. So you see that it would be here and here. This is the space that's outside of the box, outside of the 9 dots. That's where the don't know exists. This is the
Okay, Lizette. You won't be doing this part. You'll just be doing the part, setting it up, having them, giving them the hints. You'll be doing the part, show me there's no, connect 3 lines, 3 dots, let me know there's no square, rectangle, or triangle.
No boundaries.
And you'll end with, if you can see the marker, where is the shape that you can see? It's in your thoughts. They'll say in my mind, and you say in my thoughts, and that's the end of it. And then you'll have them make the line show me there's no more, no boundaries. You tell them to take a minute, and then you make the distinction that knowing something, knowing how to talk about something, didn't make a difference because you still, how many of you still drew the shape? Mentors, raise your hand if you're a young person, did the same thing. And you end up saying, insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result.